Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher teaching you 4th standard math subject. So what we have solved in our last session? Yes, we have completed our exercise 1.11. I hope you all have done your home assignment. Remaining exercise you have solved in your rub book. Yes or no? Yes, very good. See, if you don't solve, again you will forget. So in maths, practice is very important. You have to practice daily. Now today we are going to start one new concept, that is subtraction of fractions with the different denominators. We have seen with the same denominators. Now we are going to see the subtractions of fractions with the different denominators. As we have solved just now addition, in the same way we have to solve subtraction. That is the difference, addition and subtraction. Now first example, subtract 1 by 4 from 1 by 3. Now this cannot be done straight away since the denominators are different. 4 is there, 3 is there. We need to find out the common denominators for the fractions. This can be LCM of denominators. So what is the LCM of denominators? 4 3s are 12, which is shortcut. So let us do this in the maths lab activity. Okay, now I'll do for you this activity. See, what you have to do first, first we will read this. Take a rectangle piece of chart paper, then divide into 12 equal parts as shown. You have to first shade 1 by 3 of the rectangle. 1 by 3 of 12 parts means 4 parts. Therefore, shade 4 parts with the pencil. Then you have to take away 1 by 4 of the rectangle. So 1 by 4 of 12 is 3 parts. So rub out this shading in 3 of 4 parts. So you have to part 1. So you have one part left with you, isn't it? So the answer is 1 by 12. So we will see with this activity. Now what is the first step? You have to take one rectangle chart paper. Okay. See, here I have taken rectangle chart paper. Can you see? I have drawn the lines. Okay. Now, equal parts. How many equal parts? 12. So, I have divided this chart paper into 12 equal parts. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. Now, what we have to do? Just wait a minute. Yes, can you see now? Yes. So first you have to first shade 1/3 of the rectangle. 1/3 of 12 parts means how much, students? See, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, means 4 parts. See, I am going to color it with the pencil. We have to shade. This activity you are going to do today itself. After today's session, 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 3rd part, and the last 4th part. This we have shaded 1/3 of the 12 parts. Can you see? Yes, in this way you have to shade properly. Now you have to take away 1/4 of the rectangle. Now again what they said, we have to take out 1/4 of the rectangle. Now 1/4 of 12 parts means what? 4 1s are 4. See, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, means 3 parts. So we are doing subtraction. So rub out the shading 3 of the 4 parts. Now I'll rub one part in this way. You are going to do 1, 2, and the third part. Yes. Now what is remaining? Only one part is remaining. So how much left with you? Only one part. So 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 means how much? 1 by 12. So we have done this subtraction with the lab activity. So 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Then the cross multiplication, 1 4s are 4, 3 1s are 3. Denominators are same, so write only ones. 4 minus 3 is 1. So in this way also you can do. With this activity, I hope you all have understood the subtraction. Okay? Clear? Yes. Now we will see the second example. Now see, subtract 15 minus 16, 15 divided by 16 minus 2 divided by 24. Now see, denominators are not same. So what we have to do? We have to find out the LCM of both the numbers. See, I'll do together with two tables. Even numbers are there. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is, 3 1s are 3. So these are the multiples. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So what is the LCM of 16 and 24 is 48. Clear? Yes. So once we get LCM, so we can convert. Now see, here in the denominator place 48 should come. So 16 words are 48, 16 threes are 48. So same we have to multiply with 3 in the place of numerator. 15 threes are 45. Now 7 upon 24 also in the denominator place 48 should come. So 24 2s are 48. So 2 we have taken here, so we have to take 2 also in the place of numerator. 7 2s are 14. See, here you can see the steps. So these are the numbers: 45 divided by 48, 14 divided by 48. Now denominators are same. Now we can subtract easily. So subtract 45 minus 14. 5 minus 4 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3 divided by 48. Only write once. Clear? Yes? Yeah. When we will solve the exercise, you will understand in better manner. Now this example we will solve. Now see the third one. Subtract. Now they had given mixed fraction, students. 5 1 by 3 minus 2 1 by 2. So here they had given. Now convert both the fractions into improper fractions. Now how we can see? 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16 divided by 3. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5 divided by 2. Now the LCM of 2 and 3 is, directly you can do 2 3s are 6. Okay. So here the first is 16 divided by 3. This mixed fractions we have converted into improper fraction. The LCM is 6, so here 6 should come, isn't it? So 3 2s are 6. So here also we have to multiply with 2. 16 2s are 32. So here also 6 should come. 2 3s are 6. Here what is there? 5. 2 3s are 6. So multiply with 3 only. 5 3s are 15. Are you getting what I am doing? Okay? In this way. Now we got both the numbers. 32 divided by 6, 15 divided by 6. Now see, denominators are same, write only once. So 32 minus 15 students, 12 minus 5, tell me, 7, so 1. 17 minus 60, as I told you while doing the additions also, whenever they give the question into mixed fractions, you have to convert answer also into mixed fractions. Now we will do the rough work. In 6 table, 17 is there? No, 6 3s are 18, so we have to go with 2, 6 2s are 12, 5 will remain. So first we have to write quotient, then remainder, then denominator, that is division. Clear? So what is the answer? Here once again you have to write 2 5 by 6. Understood? Is that clear? Yes. The fourth example you are going to solve by your own. Now here I will tell you 3. 3 is a whole number. So convert 3 into improper fraction with the denominator is equals to 4. So if nothing is there means what is there? 1 is there. So in this way you try this fourth one. Now let's start solving our exercise 1.12. See, exercise 1.12 is what? Subtract. Now we will solve one by one. First A question we will start. In that first one, 2 by 3, 1 by 7. Now see students, here denominators are not same. Okay, so we have to first make denominator same, then we can go for the multiplication, isn't it? Sorry, not multiplication, subtraction. Now what is the first step? We have to find out LCM. What is the shortcut of LCM? Multiply the denominators, then cross multiplication. Denominators are 3 7s are 21. Then cross multiplication, 2 multiplied by 7 minus 1 multiplied by 3. See, 2 7s are 14 minus 1 3s are 3 divided by 21. 14 minus 3 is 11 divided by 20. So this is the answer. Clear? Yes. Now I will solve fourth one for you. Three by 7 minus 1 by 6. Now see, again denominators are not same. So what we have to do? LCM 7 6 are 42. Then cross multiplication, 3 6 are, here I will write that step also for your better understanding. For the LCM, 7 6 are minus 1 multiplied by 7. So do the multiplication. 3 6 are 18 minus 7 1s are 7. 7 6 are, yes, 42. Now do the subtraction. 8 minus 7 is 1, 1. See, 1 has it is, then 42. Okay, so what is the answer? 11 upon 42. Now, next example. Now we will solve fifth one. See the fifth one. 3 by 4 minus 2 by 15. See? Again, do directly multiplication of denominator. 15 4s are 60. Then cross multiplication. 3 multiplied by 15 minus 2 multiplied by 4. 15 3s are 45 minus 2 4s are 8, 60 as it is. Now we have to subtract. See, I'll do here. 5 minus 8, we cannot cut the 5 right as it is. Take borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is having 4, he will give 1, 3 will remain. Now 15 minus 8, count after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 7 and 3 as it is. So what is the answer? 37 upon 60. Clear? Yes? Very good. Now I will solve 11th one for you. See the question number 11. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5. Very simple. See, 5 4s are 20. 1 5s are cross multiplication. 1 4s are 5 1s are 5. 4 1s are 4. 20 as it is. 5 minus 4 is 1. 20 as it is. Okay. Now last one question I will solve for you, that is 14th one. See the 14th one question. 5 upon 6 minus 1 upon 8. Now see, denominators are not same, students. So what we have to do? We have to convert into, we have to multiply, isn't it? So how we can multiply? 6 8s are 48. Then cross multiplication. 5 8s are minus 1 6s are. 5 8s are 40 minus 6 1s are 6. Here 48. So 40 minus 6 is, yes, tell me. See, very simple. 34 divided by 48. Okay? Clear till here? Yes, students? Clear? Yes. See, here both the numbers are even numbers, isn't it? So we can divide. 2 1s are 2, 1 will remain, 2 7s are 14. Here 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Now odd number, even number. So what is the last answer? 17 upon 24. Clear? Yes, very good. Now we will start solving our B question. Now B also subtraction only. In that first one I will take 2 5 upon 6. Now see, one number is they had given whole number and one number they had given fraction. Okay. Now see, nothing is there means what is there? 1 and 5 divided by 6. Now the LCM of both the numbers, 6 1s are 6, then cross multiplication, 2 6s are 5, 5 1s are cross multiplication. Are you getting? 2 6s are 5 1s are. So multiplication 2 6s are 12 minus 5 1s are 5 divided by 6. So 12 minus 5 is 7 upon 6. But here the answer is not completed. So whole number is there, we have to convert into mixed fraction. So do the rough work. 6 ones are 6, 1 will remain, so the answer is 1 upon 6. This is the final answer. Clear? Yes. Now I will solve third one I will solve. Three, 2 by 3. Same just now how we have done, in the same way we have to do. So first write 3 upon 1. Nothing is there means 1 is there in the place of denominators. 2 upon 3. Now do the denominators multiplication is 3. Then cross multiplication. 3 3s are minus 2 1s are. So 3 3s are 9 minus 2 1s are 2 divided by 3. 9 minus 2 is 7 upon 3. Now here question is not completed. Do the division. 3 2s are 6. 1 will remain. So what is the answer? The quotient is 2. The remainder is 1 upon 3. This is the answer. Clear? Yes students? Very good. Now I will solve next question. Fifth one I will solve now. Three upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. Now see, mixed fractions they had given. We need to convert into improper fraction, or else what we can do, whole numbers directly we can subtract. Now students observe properly. Now denominators are same, so no need to convert into improper fraction. So directly first whole numbers we will subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now fractions we will see. 3 minus 1, denominator is same, so write only ones. So the answer is, whole number is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2 upon 4. See what I have done. Are you getting? Whole numbers together, first we will subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now see, 3 upon 4, 1 upon 4 is remaining. So denominators are same, so write only ones, and the numerators we have to subtract. 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2 and 4. So here whole number is 1. So write that number also. Clear? Yes. Now next example, 7th one I will solve for you. Three 1 upon 3 minus 2 1 upon 4. See, first what we will do students, here denominators are not same, so we have to find out LCM, but we will not convert improper fractions into mixed fractions into improper. First directly I will subtract whole number. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now we will take both the fractions, 3 upon 1 and 1 upon 4. Okay. Now denominators are not same, so what we have to do? Multiply. 3 4s are 12. Then cross multiplication. 1 4s are minus 1 3s are. 1 4s are 4 minus 1 3s are 3 upon 12. So 4 minus 1 is 4 minus 3 is 1 upon 12, and the whole number is 1. So this is the final answer. Clear? Is that clear? Yes, very good. Now next example, 11th one I will solve for you. Minus 2 upon 3. Now in this question what they have given, one is whole number, one is mixed fraction. So students, what you have to do, 4 upon 1, this mixed fractions we have to convert into improper fraction. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2 is 8 upon 3. Now denominators are not same, so write LCM, 3 ones are 3, 4 multiplied by cross multiplication, 4 multiplied by 3 minus 8 multiplied by 1. 4 3s are 12 minus 8 ones are 8 upon 3. Now do the subtraction. 12 minus 8. Yes, tell me. Come on. 4 upon 3, but mixed fractions is there, so 3 divided by 4, 3 ones are 3, 1 is remaining. So the answer is 1 upon 3. Quotient is 1, remainder is 1, and the denominator has it is. Or whatever remaining sums are there of exercise 1.12, you are going to solve by your own in your rub book. If you can't solve, or if you are having any doubt, you can ask me in Google Meet. I will explain you those questions. Okay, now we will meet in our next session with the story sums. Till that time, bye bye, take care and thank you.